Rights and duties of the complainant. Before submitting a complaint to the office, the complainant must endeavor to resolve the complaint with the respondent. The complainant is 6 months after receipt of the final response of the respondent, or after such a response was due, to submit a complaint to the office. On submitting a complaint to the office, the complainant must satisfy the ombudsman of having endeavored to resolve the complaint with the respondent, and must produce the final response, if any, of the respondent, as well as the complainant's reasons for disagreeing with the final response. A complaint must be submitted to the office in writing or in circumstances deemed appropriate. The ombudsman may receive a complaint in any other manner which conveys the complaint is comprehensible form. Rights and duties of the respondent. Where a complaint cannot within 3 weeks be addressed by the respondent must, as soon as reasonably possible after receipt of the complaint, send the complainant a written acknowledgement of the complaint with contact references of the respondent. If within 6 weeks of receipt of the complaint, the respondent has been unable to resolve the complaint to the satisfaction of the complainant, the respondent must inform the complainant that the complaint may be referred to the office if the complainant wishes to pursue the matter, and the complainant should do so within 6 months of receipt of such notification. Any response must be informed of the complaint submitted to the office to the extent necessary to respond thereto fully. The respondent is entitled to submit any fact, information, or documentation in relation to the complaint, and must disclose relevant information or documentation to the ombudsman. If deemed necessary by the ombudsman, the respondent must discuss the complaint with the ombudsman and furnish such further relevant information as the ombudsman may require. A respondent is required to act professionally and reasonably, and to cooperate with a view to ensuring the efficient resolution of the complaint. Case fees, cost, and interest. The ombudsman may, when accepting a complaint, require the respondent to pay a case fee to the office not exceeding 1,000 rands. The case fee is non-refundable, irrespective of the outcome of the matter. Payment of case fees may be enforced by the office as a final determination by the ombudsman. When making a final determination, the ombudsman may grant cost against the respondent, or, in the circumstances contemplated by section, against the complainant, in either case in favor of the other party to the complaint or in favor of the office. Any cost awarded by the ombudsman must be quantified by the ombudsman with due regard to the nature of the complaint, the time spent on the complaint, the expense and inconvenience caused to a party, the conduct of a party in resolving the complaint, and any other factors deemed by the ombudsman to be appropriate. Any award of interest and cost forms part of the relevant and final determination of the ombudsman. The ombudsman has the power to determine whether or not a complaint falls within the ambit and the act, and these rules must reject a complaint which falls outside such ambit. A complaint received officially may thereafter be dismissed if the complainant fails to cooperate in the pursuance or resolution of the complaint. If in the discretion of the ombudsman, a complaint being pursued in an annoying, irritating, or abusive manner may be dismissed summarily. The ombudsman must, in a manner deemed appropriate, inform parties of any dismissal of a complaint referred to in these rules. The ombudsman may dismiss a complaint without referral to any other party if, on the facts provided by the complainant, it appears to the ombudsman that the complaint does not have any reasonable prospect of success, the respondent has made an offer which is fair and reasonable and which is still open for acceptance by the complainant. The matter has previously been considered by the ombudsman. The essential subject of the complaint has been decided in court proceedings. The subject of the complaint is pending in court proceedings. The complaint or relief sought is of the nature that the ombudsman can be of no assistance to the complainant.